Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to set up Java development environment in your system. Go to any browser and type IntelliJ. So click on this first link. Here you can see there is a download button. Click on this. So just be careful, don't click on this particular button because it's for Ultimate Idea Edition. We want Community Edition, which is free for development. So I'm clicking on this download. It will take some time for the download to complete. So once download is completed, you can click on this open file, or you can go to download directory and double click on that file. So it will start the installation process. Click yes here, click next. So this is the folder where the program would be installed. You can give your own directory, but I would prefer just to leave it as it is. So click on next. Here you can click on this to create a desktop shortcut. And also you can create some associations. For example, if there is any .java file in your system, so IntelliJ can be used to open that file if you click on this. And also just be careful with this section. So this is very important to click here because the bin folder should be added to the path variable for the system to be detecting your installation. So I have clicked here and press next. So you don't need to do anything here. Press install. So it will take some time for the installation. So after the installation, it will ask you to reboot now or reboot later. So if you have any work or program that is running which you want to close, so you can do that and then reboot later. Otherwise, you can click on reboot now. So in my case, I'll tick this. I want to manually reboot later. Click on finish. So now you can close whatever program you are using and just restart your system. So I have restarted my system. Here you can see IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition shortcut. So just double click on it. So I don't want to import any settings, so I'm clicking on this. Yeah, so here you are in the interface of IntelliJ. So to create any new project, just click new project. So let us give a name like sample. So you don't need to change any thing here. So if you want to create Git repository, you can click here. Language is Java. So you can also program in Kotlin, Groovy or HTML using this IDE. So build system is IntelliJ. So in this case, you can even select Gradle or Maven. But in my case, I just want to keep it simple. So for example, here I have Oracle OpenJDK version 20.0.2 already present. But in your case, if you don't have it, you can download the JDK. So click here and whatever version that you want, you can select it from here and download that. So it will auto download it and set up the environment for you. So I'm just clicking add sample code, which just gives a sample code where I can run the program from. So you don't need to go to any advanced settings and change anything. Leave it as it is and just press create. So here you have the sample code that was provided by IDE. So you can run it just by pressing this green arrow here and click on run main.main. So it will run this program and print the result here. If you have any doubts or if you have faced any issues while installation, please post in the comment section. And if you have liked this video, please do subscribe. I want to do more videos for setting these easy to do development environments. See you later.